Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to perform a REALME country and registration country check using the IMEI number of your REALME 14 Pro Plus. So all you have to do to get your IMEI number is just dial this number in the blue bold text right here in your phone app on your REALME, and then enter the IMEI.info website and type in your IMEI number right here. You will get some basic info about your phone, and in the basic checks you will find the REALME country and registration date. And we're done. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.